Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a custom dress form mannequin. First, gather your materials. Several rolls of strong duct tape, an old t-shirt, and plastic wrap. You will also need a sturdy support, perhaps a PVC pipe or a broomstick, and a reliable helper. This project requires about 2 to 3 hours of active work, plus drying time, to create a personalized form for your sewing projects. Next, put on an old t-shirt that fits snugly, then wrap your entire torso with plastic wrap for protection and ease of removal. Your helper will then begin applying the duct tape. Start by wrapping horizontally around your waist and hips, creating a solid foundation. Overlap each strip by about 1/2 inch to ensure a strong, continuous layer. This initial layer is crucial for capturing your exact shape. Once your entire torso is covered with at least 2 to 3 layers of tape, your helper will carefully cut the form straight up the back. Gently wiggle out of the form, then immediately tape the cut seam closed from the inside and outside to restore its shape. Reinforce any weak spots with extra tape. You can then mark key measurements like the bust, waist, and hip lines directly onto the form. For the final steps, fill your dress form with a dense material like polyester fiberfill or expanding foam to give it firmness and stability. This will prevent it from collapsing. Once filled, mount your custom form onto a sturdy stand, such as a wooden dowel inserted into a weighted base. For a professional touch, you can cover the entire form with a stretch fabric, like jersey, creating a smooth and durable surface for pinning.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.